Welcome everybody to Thursday Night Jive. Raphael from Soul DJs. Thought I'd give you a 60 soul music mix. Let's go. Who's feeling this song? I'm feeling it. I hope you're feeling good tonight. Shout out to everybody in Columbia, Missouri. You know what's up. Oh yeah, you got the feeling. Oh. Short mix here. James Brown. Don't forget, Wilson Pickett. The Midnight Hour. Shout out to Samantha, booked us for the anniversary this coming Saturday for the Soul 60s anniversary for her parents. We look forward to a good event. We'll be here in Columbia, Missouri as well. Don't forget also, shouts out to everybody in Texas. Put a little bit of Temptations on for you. Papa was a Rolling Stone. Everybody in Brownfield, Lubbock, West Texas. Everybody in Missouri, Illinois, Iowa. Of course, can't forget Oklahoma, California. Look forward to all y'all. ShowMoDJs.com. Don't forget. Thursday Night Jive. Yeah. Peace.